Welcome back to the railroad, everyone. This is the first layout update in quite some time. So let's see what has been completed and what's new around the layout. Starting up at the paper mill, this area is now complete, along with the installed flashing gates at the crossing. I will turn these into automatic gates later on down the road, but for now, they're just going to be flashing. I have added some new power as well. A pair of the scale trains, AC 4400 CWs. I have also added some new rolling stock, including the Exact Rail PCNF. This boxcar is a Missouri Pacific patched to UP. I picked up 2 Scale Trains plastic pellet hoppers, both with Exxon Mobil markings. A Walther's cement hopper. Got a handful of the Exact Rail combo boxcars in different paint, including Canadian National. Several Railbox. And also a Athearn combo door as well. A Atlas Vermont Railway boxcar that will definitely get a lot of weathering. And 2 of the Scale Trains Trinity BNSF reefers. One with a Thermo King chiller and the other with a carrier. Also, the Thermo King unit is a sound unit as well. Now it's time for a run-by with the new equipment. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell, that way you get notifications of whenever I post. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. I try to reply to everyone's comments. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.